You're a good boy. Yes, look at you. You're a pretty boy. Pretty boy. That's a good boy. You're a pretty boy. Yes, eat that little leaf or that little berry. Yes, that's a good boy. Yes, and so you know how far we are. I'm on the walk, and he's right there. No one's at the pond except for me and him. Oh, there he goes. Where he goes. He looks so beautiful against that red. He loves those berries. Yeah, he's so... Oop, where he went? Oh, I see him. I see with my naked eye. Anyway. He went in the back there. In the back over there. But anyway, there's a little nuthatch right there. And there he went. But maybe my cardinal will come back over here. At least we saw the beautiful cardinal. And I wasn't quiet. Oh, look at the little sparrows on the bench. There he is. Wait. There. Back up a little bit. I'm going to show you how far I am. It might look that way on the camera, but he might be far on the tree. Yeah. Let's go back before he goes away. And if he does, he might go on the bench. Hopefully. He's a little bugger. He's hungry. He's got his beautiful red. There's a female. It's hard to see with the sun. There's another female. I could see this with my naked eye, but they're in this little tree over here somewhere. But I can't, but I don't know if you can see it or not. But they're in that little tree over there. Oh, I'll zoom back. I think that might be better. See, it's hard to tell what you can see and what you can't see. So I'm going to close off for now.